Hi guys, today I'm going to create 3D text in Adobe Illustrator. Go to type tool and write here your text in capital letters. Now go to selection tool, select the text, press and hold Alt and Shift key together, click and drag to make it bigger proportionally. Change fill color. Click on OK. Then right click on the artboard and click on create outlines. Now go to effect, 3D and then extrude and bevel. Choose the appropriate value of extrude depth. Here you can set the light angle. And from here you can change the position of your text. Set the values and click on OK. Now go to selection tool, select the text, go to object and click on expand appearance, then right click and ungroup it, and now your 3D text is ready. Thank you very much.